To enter maintenance mode, press Settings. With the machine in the ready state, press and hold the home key for around 5 seconds. In the LCD will appear 4 fields. Press the last blank field at the bottom. Press asterisk. 2, 8, 6, 4 keys in this order. The machine enters into maintenance mode. Now you can select any of the maintenance mode functions. You'll find the list in the description of this video. Use the keypad to enter the code of the function you want to execute. For example, if you want to reset the fuser unit counter, press 88. This is a reset counter menu. If needed, press the 2 arrows key until this display appears. Press this button until reset fuser unit appears. PF kit is a paper feed kit. Press Set. Fuser OK. Press Set. To exit from the maintenance mode, press Stop, then type 99. Look at the counter of the fuser unit. %. The counter has been reset.